BTech and MTech students of RSET. As you are successfully completing the programs you had signed up, it marks the end of a significant phase in your life journey and commencement of another. I would like to congratulate each one of you in your achievement. I know it has taken hard work, commitment, and sacrifices from your part to achieve this. This occasion is also a time to reflect on the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead of you. Our experience tells us that many of you will hold significant roles with substantial responsibility as qualified engineering professionals, both within private and public sectors in India and abroad. We at RSET hope that you will transmute the knowledge that you have gained into practical applications which will address real world concerns. We believe that you will look beyond the narrow confines of man-made boundaries to promote what is just and good for all. And we trust that you will practice your profession with utmost integrity and dedication it merits. I would ask you to be motivated by a genuine love for one's fellow beings and everything in God's creation. The rest is bound to follow. Though you are leaving RSET, I am sure you will continue to maintain the strong relationship you have forged with this institution all these years. Every little encounter and experience gained here has been enriching and will remain within your memories lifelong, I hope. Everyone has had their own share of excitement and stories that they will carry along their life. You will certainly come back as alumni, contributing in unique ways for the betterment of your alma mater. I wish all of you the very best in the coming examinations and in all your future endeavors. I conclude my words by praying to God Almighty to shower His abundant blessings on all of you. Thank you.
Hi. It's a matter of great happiness to note that another batch of students from Rajagiri is graduating. At this moment, I pray to God to make their attempts in future to be successful. At the same time, I wish to advise that you are going to face a lot of unfavorable situations. You have to keep your presence of mind and make these situations favorable. Then only you will succeed. I wish you all success. Thank you.
Dear students, you have come to the end of a beautiful phase of student life and are now ready to embark on the serious business of being adults. As you go out into the world, people may discourage you saying that times are hard and opportunities are few. In such a context, I would encourage you to focus on what you want and not on your fears. As you leave the portals of your alma mater, from where you have gathered your strength to face the corporate world, my advice to you is to nurture your passion for engineering and to safeguard a positive attitude so that you can withstand the vagaries of life. I wish you all the very best in life and request you to come back as the alumni of RSET to share your success stories. My goodwill also goes out to your juniors who have organized this farewell despite the challenges of today's circumstances. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students of 2016-20 batch. Hearty congratulations as you are graduating in engineering. I'm sure in a few years' time, with all your hardships and toil, you will earn a coveted position across the globe as our fellow senior Rajagirians. Wishing you success in all your endeavors.
Graduation is not an end goal in itself. It is instead a part of the larger journey of life. On behalf of all the staff of Civil Engineering Department, Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, I wish you all the very best in your life's endeavors. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. Wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. May God bless you all.
My dear students, I am honored and pleased to bid farewell to the second batch of KTU Electrical and Electronics Engineering students of RSET. During the course of your studies, you might have encountered many hardships, but at the end you had completed this part of your journey with beautiful memories. At times we might have been tough with you. It was not because that we don't like you, but to prepare you for greater challenges ahead and to nurture you to build a strong foundation for your next part of the journey. You have been always a subject of our actions, the object of our thoughts, and the complement of our endeavors. We are proud of your many achievements and accomplishments in curricular and extracurricular activities. I thank you for the uncommon zeal you have demonstrated in studies, your relationship with teachers, management, junior students, and even among yourselves. As you have the college, as you leave the college, expect some hard challenges in store for you, and I'm sure with the skills and knowledge we have imparted, you will surely overcome them. Take proper care of your health. Do not compromise your health for career growth. Without health, whatever you accomplish is not worth. You are our asset, and at this point I will emphasize that each one of you should see yourselves as good ambassadors of this college, and through you, RSET should reach every nook and corner of this world. Your sweet memories will remain forever in our hearts. I wish you all the best. God bless you.
Another batch is also leaving the campus. This is 2016-20 batch. In fact, it is the 16th batch of ECE students passing out of this institution. So as teachers, we always wish to see the better future and holistic growth of students. I believe that this 4 years of stay and study in this campus have nurtured you as a good engineer as well as a good citizen. And I believe that you could face all challenges which are coming in front of you in your future life. And at this moment, I wish you all the success for all your career, for all your future studies, and for all your future life. Thank you. Please visit us whenever you are free and around Cochin. So that is really a good moment as a teacher is concerned when a student is coming back and visiting us. Definitely it will be a pleasant moment for a teacher. So please be in touch with us. So once again, all the best wishes for you all. Thank you.
Hi, 2016-20 batch of IT students. I wish you all the best in the future endeavors of your life. I hope you enjoyed your life at Rajagiri. All the best for your future life.
I take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduates on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering. You have spent the best part of your life with Rajagiri. For those who feel bad about mistakes you have made, I would like to share the words of Max Muller and Swami Vivekananda. German scholar Max Muller said, "Erasers are made for those who make mistakes." For that, Swami Vivekananda replied, "Erasers are made for those who are willing to correct their mistakes." I repeat Swami Vivekananda words, "Erasers are made for those who are willing to correct their mistakes." Every new beginning comes from some other beginning ends. A quote by Walt Disney: "Whatever you do, do it well." Wishing you all the best in the next chapter of your career.